Hello you lovely humans, welcome back to my channel and another video. So today's video is supposed to be a DIY Valentine's Day video, but girl, it's February 3rd and Valentine's Day is in 10 days. So this is going to be just a plain and simple DIY decor video because I haven't done one in a while, and what's awesome about all the DIYs in this video is they are so low-key that they can be put into your decor scheme at any time of year, and I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I did putting them together. So before we get started, please make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe if you are new. And now without further ado, let's just jump into the video. For the first DIY, I'm going to show you guys how you can fake a vase full of flowers with water in it. It's all fake and you don't have to use that resin stuff. Ain't nobody got time for that. So what I'm doing for this DIY is I'm starting off by taking some contact paper, drawing half of a heart onto the backside, cutting it out, and once you unfold it, you should have a nice good old heart shape. So what I'm doing with this is I'm taking the contact paper and putting this onto the vase. Contact paper makes for awesome stencils, so I highly recommend. I'm making sure to really stick that on there so there's no air pockets around the shape and no paint will bleed when I go to paint. So for some extra coverage, I went in with some duct tape around the bottom, and now time to spray paint, going in with gold because your girl loves gold. Spraying the heart shape and letting the paint dry. So while the paint dries, I'm going to trim off some peony stems, and for the love of God, please use wire cutters and not scissors like yo dumb girl over here. Now once you have all your little peonies or flowers of choice, I'm taking some floral wire and wrapping it around all of the flower stems so that they stick together to make a cute little bouquet. Now for the fake water part, what we are going to use for fake water is some vegetable glycerin soap base. You want the clear kind, not one that's colored, and you're going to go ahead, put it in the microwave and melt it in 20-second increments until it is completely melted. Working quickly, go ahead and take off your stencil so you reveal your shape. I know mine's a little whack, but you know what? It gives it some character.
Are you sure about that?
Take your soap base and pour it into the bottom of your vase and quickly plop your flowers inside of the soap before it completely dries. Vegetable glycerin soap dries so fast, so that's what's fantastic about this DIY, and it dries pretty clear. I don't know guys, it looks pretty dang good. This is what it looks like. It's so elegant and simple. Next DIY, we're making a neon sign for the first time on this channel, friends. I am so excited for this one. So I went ahead and started off with this really thick copper wire. I'm going ahead and spelling out the word lovely. I'm also doing the letters in script because that's obviously the easiest way to do a little faux neon sign. You definitely are going to have to go through some trial and error with this, so be patient. And if you have any wire that's a little janky, you can go ahead and straighten that out with some pliers. Now that I have that all done, that is the base for our neon sign. I got this little neon wire from AC Moore, and what's great about this stuff is it's super bendable, making it extremely easy to work with. So I'm going ahead and tracing the same thing with the neon wire and using very thin copper wire to attach both pieces together. I'm doing that just by wrapping it around both the wire and the neon wire so that they are stuck together. And once you have that all finished up, you have a neon sign, my friends. So this was definitely a tedious DIY, but it's super easy, and oh my god, you guys, I think this is probably my favorite thing I have made. And the last DIY, we are going to use this little love sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make it into a picture holder. So I went ahead and painted it white because I'm obsessed with white decor. I don't know what it is. So I let that dry and did a gold gradient onto the bottom of the love sign. I know, I'm obsessed with gold. I think it's a problem. Now to make the gold portion of the sign more metallic, I'm going in with the champagne ice wax finish, and I'm going over with the sponge brush. And can we please just take a second to admire the beauty of this stuff? Oh my God. No, but for real, that's enough of that. Anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and set all of the paint and the finish with some Mod Podge. And what was that flick? I'm some fancy little MF. Like, what in the heck is that? After letting the Mod Podge dry, I'm going ahead and using some gold wire and bending the top portion into a heart shape. I made sure to fold the wire to make a little loop in between the heart shape. This is what's going to hold on to our pictures. It's kind of like a paper clip, if you will. After making the heart shape, I trimmed off any excess wire and wrapped it around the base so that the heart will keep its shape. And this is what you should have. Now let's put it all together. I'm taking the love sign, flipping it over, and with some E6000 glue, the godsend glue, I am putting it onto the back of the love sign, twisting the wire into the glue so that it's evenly covered, and adding a little bit of glue on top for some extra security. And that is it, my friends. I love this so much. This would be even cuter with some little Polaroid pictures as shown here. It's just amazing. And if you guys are looking for some picture holders, well, you can make your own, y'all, and it's so easy and super affordable. So that's it for this video and all of these DIYs. Now let's go ahead and jump into Mandarin of the Week, which none of y'all answered last week's question, so I'm going to ask it again. And that question is, what is your favorite craft that you have ever made? Go in the comment section below. I would love to hear your answers. I want to keep this Mandarin of the Week thing going, so go comment down below. Take a second, pause this video. It would mean so much to me. Now, with all that being said, I love you guys so very much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. It means the world, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.